Okay, students, we'll start the class. And today's class is about the primary market. Under the capital market, there are two main classification. One is primary, another one is secondary. So today we are going to discuss the primary market. What are the operations coming under the primary market? That is why I posted the very interesting news which is relating to the primary market. What is the news? It is about the IPO of one of the famous organization in India, Zomato. Hmm? Zomato IPO, which the founder is having just 30 years old. Immediately within a week time, he became a rich person. And according to this news, it is mentioned that super rich person. See that one, how the capital market is paying the way for the super rich persons. When you gone through the financial statements of Zomato, in last 2 years, it was gaining only loss. Remember that I am telling it was gaining only the loss. It is not running on loss. I hope you know the meaning of it is gaining the loss and it is running in loss. What is the difference, anybody? Since you have studied accounting, I'm asking. Zomato is gaining the loss. Then another term, Zomato is running on loss. What is the difference? Yes, come on.
Sir, I think gaining loss means year by year the losses
Losses? Yes, good,
increases.
Kiran. Hmm. Then running in loss means
I think it's about only 1 year prediction.
1 year prediction. Okay, good, Kiran. A very good point given by the Kiran. Nice. Any other views? What? Okay, don't worry. You have to answer at the end. So as per this news, I already posted in the group. Nice answers. I think first answer is from KK, maybe Kiran. He mentioned about one of
Yes,
the.
sir.
Okay, good, Kiran. He mentioned that according to the Rakesh Junjunwala, one of the famous stockbroker, he mentioned that Zomato has 20% upside and remaining 60% downside potential before it is coming out of IPO. Then Rosemary mentioned that it may be the inspiration for the startup because they run an organization which is running in loss in last year. Now suddenly when it moves on to the IPO, it is gaining. And Thomas mentioned some technical terms. He gone through some deep and mentioned that since Zomato is moving towards the cloud kitchen in India, people are estimating that it is going to gain because Zomato is giving different things in different places. Its strategy is changed. That is why Thomas mentioned like that. Melvin mentioned in a different mention. It is going to be the Indian unicorn and it is going to change. And investors identified that that may be a change in Zomato. That is why they have mentioned that it may increase. Vicky mentioned about the another term from the accounting, that is asset light scalable business. He identified some of the business model of the Zomato. According to Vicky, he mentioned asset light scalable business. That is, its assets are good. According to Vicky, not only Vicky, as per the financial statement, the Zomato assets are good. That is why the people are seeing the asset and ready for IPO. That is from the wiki. Another person, I don't know who is that person, he has given the comment. Zomato as a brand has been very popular among the younger audience. He mentioned that younger audience will prefer that one. That is the reason that he's going to set up. Who is that person who quoted?
Sunil sir.
Sunil. Oh, good, Sunil.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, another person also mentioned, even though they had losses, government has given opportunity. Government need not go, of course, correct? It started at 76 rupees and moving towards 125 rupees. And nice exponential growth he or she identified. Who is that person? Phone number ends with 408.
Santosh sir.
Santosh. Very good, Santosh. Hmm. Then Rani mentioned that she identified how many times the Zomato IPO has been subscribed. Of course, she also mentioned that there is something new from Zomato which will overcome the loss. She mentioned. Then Alina mentioned another interesting thing. She mentioned that Zomato primarily provides concrete information, menus, and user reviews. User reviews. I like that word called user reviews. Zomato is having a nice user review compared with others. That may be the reason. That is, customer is liking. Still, I remember the Kingfisher Airlines. Even before the closure of Kingfisher Airlines, the customer rating for Kingfisher Airline is good. Farzin, I think so.
Why is it leaving?
Yes, you can unmute, ma. Some Farzin and Sunil. Some of you who is having the personal number, call and ask her to unmute. Okay, good. So that is the situation prevailing for the Zomato. Even nobody knows clearly what is going to happen. But in the market, at present, Zomato is doing well because of the customer ratings. That is what mentioned by Alina. Hmm? That is the reason I told in case of the Kingfisher Airlines. Kingfisher was healthiest airline from the healthiest person, and of course he escaped now. But it was running at loss. But from the customer view, it was having good rating. Still, I remember traveling from Kingfisher to Delhi. If you travel by Kingfisher Airlines, at least it takes 2.5 hours. You can enjoy the songs in almost in all the Indian languages. And another thing, their customer service is very good. Even if you dial and ask, are you able to fix any cab since I'm moving to Delhi? From Delhi airport, you are going to for only the terminal 1. I have to go to terminal 3 means they will make, don't worry, sir, we will make arrangements. You have to pay just 2,000 rupees only. They will tell. Of course, traveling from there, terminal 1 to terminal 3 is just 25 rupees in AC bus, but they will tell. They never say no. In customer service, they are very good. And food service also, they are very, very good. You will ask, I need burger without any salt means okay. We will provide. You can wait in the flight, sir. If you get down in Mumbai airport, we will arrange for the burger which is having no salt. Because they never say that it is not available, get out, they won't tell other things. That is how, in the customer side, Kingfisher was very good. But in financial side, it was very, very poor. That was the reason why Kingfisher came into an insolvent. So based upon that, you are given a very nice comment. We will see how this Zomato IPO is gaining momentum. In today's class, we are having the two case study. One case study is about the one of the organization which completed its own IPO and now it is moving on good in the market. Another one, the Zomato. At the end, we will discuss the Zomato. So be ready with your comments about the Zomato or Rafael, which we are going to discuss. Be clear when we are discussing, you have to think about the subject, how it is fitting into our subject. So today, our topic from the conceptual side is IPO. Very good example is how the Zomato is coming out. That is the initial public offer. For the purpose of raising money, in other words, it is called as public offering. If an organization wishes to increase money or infuse capital by the first time from the capital market, it is considered as the IPO. Before that, it may be coming under the startup or it may be in the form of sole tradership. In our example, you might have seen the Zomato owner was coming under the startup. Then he got the money from venture capitalist and he used to run the business what he gained from venture capitalist. Now, the stage is moving in the upper direction. He needs more money. He is having a good plan for that purpose to operationalize the strategic plan of Zomato. It needs huge capital. For that purpose, Zomato decided to go to the capital market. They approached the capital market, both BSE and NSE, and they decided to move towards the raising of capital. This process we used to call it as initial public offering. You must know, usually from startup to VC, VC means venture capital. Once venture capital is succeeding, they may decided to change their sole proprietorship or partnership firm into a joint stock company. If they decided to move on to the joint stock company, they may raise money in the capital market. They will create nice securities and these securities will be sold in the capital market. Securities mean shares or debentures. Very nice thing. That is why it is mentioned as to possibly monetize the investments of early private investors. They may decided to increase their capital. If they wish to move on to joint stock companies or if they wish to move on to the corporate offices in the form of issuing securities for the first time, then it is called as the initial public offering. In our example, Zomato was considered as the firm. It received huge amount of investment as the startup. It was financed by 4 venture capitalists, including equity financing. But now, Zomato decided to convert its name into a private limited company. That is why to move on to the next level of business organization, it raised money in BSE and NSE. That is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. This entire process we used to call it as initial public offering. So how you can go for IPO? There are something very important thing you must know. First, it is a process. We can't say that immediately if you are going for IPO, you will get the money. It is not like that. It is a well defined process as per our Indian Companies Act. We need more legal restrictions here. There are a number of legal issues here. You can't directly move on to the joint stock companies. If you want to move on to joint stock companies, if you are coming under production unit or in case of food units, whatever it may be, there are some essential formalities and momentum is there. You have to get the permission. You should have a well defined protocol. Then only you can go for IPO. Of course, it is the efforts of the legal department in any organization. Once you decided to go for IPO, you have to market. Public should know that you are going for IPO. That is very important thing. In case of Flipkart, same thing happened. Today we are going to discuss the first case of Affail. Affail also decided like that. You have to market that one. Marketing is very important thing. Public must know what you are going to do. Say for example, Neeraj decided to go for IPO. Neeraj is running a nice business at present. And Neeraj decided, why can't we can change it to a public limited company? So what Neeraj will do? Neeraj is considered as the promoter. He has to market the securities. He has to first create awareness among the people that Neeraj Private Limited is coming for IPO. What Neeraj will do, he will first move on to the public domain, maybe in media. He will release the big ad. Neeraj Private Limited is going for IPO. Public must know that. And another important thing Neeraj will say, in last 3 years, my business was running 80% return. And I am expecting same type of return when it becomes joint stock company. Neeraj has to create some sort of advertisement. Without promoting, there is no IPO. Remember that one. Here also marketing comes. Never assume that there is no need for marketing. You are able to promote your organization. It may be in Financial Express or Economic Times, Business Standard. In all the major magazines, you will post. Nowadays, the trend is even posting in the regional newspapers. Even I am seeing in Bangalore Mirror. That is very important thing. You have to create an awareness among the public issue. What Zomato did, in Paytm mentioned that, are you ready to buy any share from Zomato? You can apply through us. You can see the Paytm ad. So, advertisement is very important. Then the pricing. You have to decide what is the price of the security. Since you are moving towards the IPO, what is the price? One security, one share price. What is the value of the share price? How we are going to allocate that one? The price should be fixed clearly. These are all the strategies you must know before going for the IPO. However, the process is very big as I already told. If you want to go for IPO, you have to constitute a board. Then if you are an existing company, you have to see the approval from the existing shareholders. What Reliance did, we have discussed in case of rights issue. Then appointment of intermediaries, especially the share brokers, lead bank managers, All these persons you have to fix. Then the expenditure budget. What will be the total cost of IPO? It is not a small money. The advertisement itself comes for 80 to 85%. Then the prospectus, which is legally prepared. What are your agreements with the depositors? Then the security exchange contract observations. What type of instrument you are going to issue, whether it is in the form of shares or whether it is in the form of preference shares. These are all the preliminary steps you have to go through. Then only you can file with the registrar of companies. Once you filed with registrar of companies, if they are given the green signal, then you can go for meeting with intermediaries. That is very important thing. Intermediaries are the person who will get more shares and give it to you. Then there will be a big advertisement. Here, a number of advertisements are coming in Zomato. You might have seen. Then issue of application form, receipt of application, all these things. That is the legal thing as per the Companies Act. So in conceptual level, it consists of fixing the price, book building method. How many days you are going for IPO? How much value you are going to create? That is the book building process. Once you are able to create the book building process, then you are able to successfully move on to the IPO. That is the combination method. Both pricing as well as the book building you have to decide. Who are all the persons involved in IPO? Yeah, we can't say that only one person. Neeraj is having the desire to move on to the public limited company, but he has to decide who are all the intermediaries here. Usually, in case of IPO, there are two important persons, BRLM. BR means brokers. Broker runners, that is the very good concept. That is the indirectly, it is an intermediary brokers. Then LM refers to the lead managers who are going to take over the control of entire issue. Lead managers we have to fix. Then only remaining all persons are coming. Legal counsels, that is the solicitors, they have to say that whether we are going according to the law. Then grading agency, which will grade about your own IPO. If it is graded D, it is default. If it is graded A++, it means that it is a good organization. Then who is the registrar for issues? Escrow bankers. Escrow bankers means you need not go and approach if you want to go for an IPO with Zomato. If your account has been seized or if you have applied, if the shares have been rejected, you will get the full money of the rejected amount. That is through the escrow account. Then remaining thing, printing of advertisement, advertising agency, all these persons are involved in the IPOs. How the IPOs are traded in the market. For that one, you can see IPO preparation itself will take 4 to 6 months. Then IPO process will start from, I think, 2 to 3 months. See that one. Basic things must know in the IPO. Usually, if, if you start preparation, the IPO for 6 months in advance, it will be good. But the process will go for 2 to 3 months. In the market, IPO will be for only 4 days or 5 days. But the process will go. Be clear. Once the IPO is said to be successful, the next concept is that the organization is moving towards the trading of its own securities. That is the trading day. Here there's a statement which mentions different activity with number of days or weeks it will go. Preparation phase 2 weeks, diligence 4 to 5 weeks, filing of draft. What is the draft? We have to file for the IPO. It takes 1 week. Then SEBI will also came into existence here. It will verify. That comes around 8 weeks. Then the finalization and filing of offer document to the stock exchanges. It takes around 2 to 3 weeks. Then the issue period. If it comes to the market, you are able to do all this process for 7 days. That is minimum 3 days and maximum 7 days. Once the IPO is over in the market, it is called the post-issue activities, usually for allotment of the shares. So these are the different activities involved in the IPO. Mainly the IPO process is also called as book building process. That means raising money at slow level. You can see that one. It starts from the decision to go for IPO. The organization decided that one. Then they can appointment of BRLM and regional council. I already told the BR and LM. Then due diligence. In case of IPO process, diligence is very important thing because the amount is in a small denomination. Then due diligence, drafting the draft red hearing petition. When it goes before to the BSE, we have to submit the articles of association. In such case, as well as memorandum of association, we have to go for red hearing petition. Then once if you inform to the SEBI, you can start pre-marketing, how it will go. Based upon that, you can fix the price. You can see that one we have to organize road shows, book building, price allocation, listing. Then only the funds will be transferred to the organization. So the IPO activities are otherwise called as book building process because it is purely based upon the price. Even it may, we can call it as it is equivalent to an auction prices. What is going on in the auction? Same thing. Here also book building process is equal to an auction, but this is legally permitted. Okay. So how this IPO is working, not only in India, even you can see in abroad, this IPO is having the same process. You can see in this example regarding the New York Stock Exchange. In case of New York Stock Exchange also, the IPO process is somewhat equal, but only one time is different. When a company is coming for IPO on the opening date, they will put into a hammer and the ring. The very big bell sound will come. That means new securities are going to be introduced from the market. That is how in international level also we are working on the IPO. Okay. These are all the concept. I know some of them it is boring. Let us move on to the stories. Okay, are you ready for the story? Now you can fresh up and sit correctly. You can see the camera. What happened? Come on, switch on your cameras. I am seeing everybody. Okay, students, we will move on to the very old case study. because I used to discuss only the present case study, and- but this is the case study which mentioned about the everything. It happened just a year back. That is why I am discussing the case study to understand the IPO concept. What we have discussed the conceptual manner, we are going to see. So you are going to answer. Who is this Anuj Khanna? Come on. It is mentioned the MD and CEO. What this person is doing? Who is this Anuj Khanna? Come on. What happened? Anuj Khanna. Have you seen this person in news? Why Joel Paul is now only getting up? Huh? I think he slept well nicely.
No, no, sir, no, sir.
Never, never say no, pa. Huh?
Here only, sir.
Okay. Mm. Yes. Who is this person? Jivida. Who is
Yes,
this?
sir.
Who is this Anuj ma? Hmm?
Sir is entrepreneur.
Good. You are 68% correct. Any other view? Come on. Rosemary, Nikhil.
So he's the founder of FL, sir.
Yes. Good. Is the founder of FL nicely. Who mentioned?
So Joel, sir.
Joel, very good Joel. Mm. I think some of boys knows this person because they are using different type of gadgets. Huh? So you know about this person. Huh? If you are good in exam, how to copy nicely, hmm, you will know about this person. How you can cheat the exam persons. What Kiran you switched off? Hmm? I remember still Kiran, how he
My
used to
brother is
escape.
sleeping, sir, so only.
Ah, don't worry, Kiran. Every time you used to escape, even I have seen in the exam. Huh? If Kiran used to have nice exam escape, he must know the Affail products. Huh? Affail is very nice. That is, even you can see Affail has bring a nice equipment. I think whether you read the newspaper or not, in case of Delhi Amity University students, they are using a product which is manufactured from Affail. It will give a nice voice recording. Say, for example, if there's a question, what is the IPO? What are all the process of IPO means? You need not worry. You need not touch your cell phone or anything. If you are having the gadgets that is kindled with you, it will make voice just 8 meters from your exam point, so that it will make nice thing. By hearing the voice you can write, because in exam section they will ask you to switch off your mic. Hmm? Or later on, in case of Amity, they identified how the students are cheating. Of course, we need not worry about that one. Such a big gadgets or everything, they decided to introduce in India just 1.5 years back. They are the entrepreneurs, somebody clearly mentioned. They are the entrepreneurs. This entrepreneur decided to enter into India since he is basically an Indian, but he is an NRI. He decided to enter into India with this nice market. So he projected that in case of India, the market will be very good. The Affail products will move nicely. Okay. So what he decided? He decided to go for IPO. So you can see in the year 2019, he decided to move on to the IPO. The IPO dates are July 29 to July 31st, just 2 years back. You can see IPO dates means July 29th, they will come to the market in open market. That is the bidding. and the open market will close on July 31st. Within these days, they have to sell the shares, that is the securities, very quickly. It is like a cinema show. Now everybody closed your things. Huh? I think you might have seen the number of cinemas when the ticket price will be high. Come on. Have you gone to any cinema theaters in malls? When the price of the cinema will be high,
So when the seats are less.
seats are less. Come on.
First day, first show.
Yes, good. First day, first show. Huh? Why others they were not went for cinema? Huh? If you are seeing the Mammootty film, Mohanlal film, or if you are from Tamil Nadu, Rajinikanth film still is running fully. Mhm. In whatever the film you might have seen, first day, first show, only there will be a huge price. Even still, I remember in Majestic Theatre, nearby Majestic, now you can't see the Majestic Theatre. In Majestic, it was famous for one cinema theatre called Majestic in Bangalore. That is why the name itself is came as the Majestic. But now there is no Majestic Theatre. Just 2 years back, they closed that theatre. Still, I remember if you want to see any films, in those days in Kannada, actor Rajkumar was very famous. If you want to see the film of Rajkumar in those days, in those days itself, we have to pay 20 rupees to enter into the Majestic Theatre. 20 rupees was a very huge money in 1980s. If you are ready to pay 20 rupees, then only you are able to enter into the Majestic Theatre and able to see the films of Rajkumar. Same thing happening, I think, in Tamil Nadu, it is Rajinikanth film or Mohanlal or Mammootty films. Huh? I hope some of you are there. But I don't know in case of Laldin Singha place. Who is the famous actor there, Laldin Singha?
Uh, we don't have that much famous.
Yes.
Movie industry is not that big in my place, for example.
Mammootty. Oh,
Yeah,
oh yeah, very good. So he is having the fans there also. Yes, same thing. So why I am telling, it is like a cinema show. IPO is a cinema show. Before the IPO, we need a trailer. Whatever the film, if it is going to release, that's a trailer is coming. Even you are running if you want to organize a big show, of course, now you are in online. When you come back to college in offline, I think your classmates are ready to run a very big show for your ventura. You have to market, otherwise you can't do anything. Before that, in our KJC, you might have seen by 4:30, we have to run a very good show for the upcoming event. Sometimes they may dance, they may create a nice show. That is the trailer. Same thing in case of IPO. When AFEL India Limited decided to come into the market, they fixed only in 29, 30, 31. Just 3 days, they have to raise the money. So how much they decided, you might have seen a good show. And they fixed the price as 740 rupees per share. And if you want to buy, you have to buy minimum 20 shares. Like cinema ticket. Still, I remember in those days, there is one concept called family ticket. I don't know whether it is now there, you might know. Now it is a lover's ticket. In those days, it was family ticket. In most of the theaters used to give us, if your family is coming, can come a lot. Minimum 5 tickets will be given at a discount. That is how the theater owners used to give some discounts. Same thing like in IPO market, if you want to buy the AFEL shares, you have to buy minimum 20 shares. You can see they are going to rise 457 crores. Then they mentioned that every day they will close by 3:30 p.m. That is the first shows of AFAIL India Limited. Remember that IPO is like same thing. You are selling the ticket in open market, same thing. Auctioning. It is like a cinema show. In case of cinema show, what will happen if any Mammootty film or Mohanlal film or Rajinikanth film released? I don't know who is the best actor now in Karnataka. I think Sagar knows. Sagar?
Sir, only Rajnikant, sir, I can tell about.
Why Sagar? Here also Rajinikanth, no? Hmm?
No, sir.
Hmm. Rajinikanth is actually from Bangalore. Then he entered into Tamil Nadu. Hmm?
But he is releasing movies in Tamil, sir. So,
Oh, yes, good. Hmm. So, yes, according to Sagar, Rajinikanth is still superstar. I remember one of the film, I think, Nallavanukku Nallavan, one film released by, acted by Rajinikanth. When it was released, no, we were in Chennai by the time. Most of the tickets are sold in black market. You know how the tickets are selling in black market? Anybody? What is the meaning of black market? What? Pa? You not purchase the ticket in black market. Now you are going to Phoenix Market City. They are telling that all the tickets are over. Even then you can buy the ticket. Where you will buy? Come on. I think you doesn't know how you are going.
Sir, there
for-
are people who buy at low price, and then when they know that the tickets are left less, they sell for higher prices, sir.
Good, Joel. That is the gray market. We used to call it as technically term gray market. Same thing. They used to raise the money. When they will raise the money, still I remember that Rajinikanth film. In those days, the cost of the ticket is only 4 rupees, but they demanded 25 rupees by the time. Now I think I don't know. Sagar, what is the price if you are going to pay for a new
sir,
film?
depending on the movie, sir. Sometimes even Robot 2.0 it went up to 500, sir.
500, you can see. Because I am telling very old stories now, Sagar is telling up to 500 rupees. You have to pay. That is the book building. In share market, we used to call it as book building. Then only the producers will be satisfied. If the market price of the film ticket is just 100 rupees, if you are ready to sell 500 rupees, that means 5 times it is going good. That concept is book building in cinema ticket. Same thing it is in IPO. You can see in case of this AFAIL IPO, very interesting thing. They decided to go for minimum 20 shares, and they decided to list in both BSE and NSE. Like cinema theater, BSE and NSE are equivalent to the cinema theaters, and the cinema theater released the AFAIL India IPO. You can see that one. And some of them mention about the news, whether you can go for IPO of this AFAIL or not. Like cinema reviews, before the film is going to release, we will get the film review. You might have seen Bahubali 1 and 2. When Bahubali 2 was ready to release, they may have shown Bahubali 1 was said to be very successful one. They written very nice reviews about the Bahubali 2. That is the reason why Bahubali 2 was very successful in South India. Not only in South India, in North India also in those days. And they used to mention about the AFAIL. These are all the reviews. When movie is releasing, some reviews are coming. Same thing. They used to mention that AFAIL is a technology-based company, and they are going to give nice advertisements. They are very famous in advertisements. They are coming under the digital advertisement. That is why they mentioned that the offer, most of the reviews mention that we can go for the AFAIL India Limited. Most of them review mentioned positively. And it has been rated also. Ratings given by the some of the rating agency, it has been rated as 3, that is the middle order. Like cinema rating is given by the magazines. Still, I know some of the magazines are giving the ratings when it is coming to the Amazon, or in case of Netflix, what is the customer rating. Like that, this rating has been given to the IPO, but you can see on the final day of bidding, when they are closing the IPO, that is, they clearly mentioned that our cinema is going to run for only 4 days. At the 4th day, when it comes to an end of the first 4 days, it has been subscribed 86.45 times. If they need 1 rupee, they are ready to get 86 rupees. See that one, that is the mostly subscribed IPO in recent years. 86 times AFEL has been subscribed in India. Even though nobody knows about the organization, now everybody knows. In future, if Kiran is going to write the examination in online, he may use the AFEL products because they are doing a nice advertisement like that. See that one, they gained more than what they expected. That is the IPO. If you want the reason, they are very good advertisements. They mention clearly about the affair. If you turn the CNBC TV or whatever may be the television, you are able to see all those things. That is how the affair made it a successful one. So this process is called the IPO process. So what we studied in concept is same. And in other words, it is called the private placement. Private placement means they won't sell the tickets to others. They are having some of the people, they will sell to the institutional buyers. Okay, that is a very good example of the IPO held successfully in recent years. For that purpose, we need underwriters. These are all the persons, bankers as the lead, and the book building process, bidding process, how they increase the price of the security. All this thing happened. In the same manner, let us see the example of the Zomato. I think you know about the Zomato. Uh, Better than me, you know about the Zomato because every time you are making orders in Zomato, I don't know whether you like or dislike. Even now, for meals, I think Jivida ordered in Zomato. Jivida, what happened, Jivida? Okay. Then those who are
Yes,
in
sir.
okay, ma, good. Hmm. Those who are in Bangalore, they might have ordered. Neeraj and friends, they used to order in Zomato for celebrating birthday party. Yes, Neeraj,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
good. Hmm. Because they are not coming to college, so we need it. That is the plus point of the Zomato. Nobody knows that it was running class. Only after seeing the financials, they came to know that Zomato was running the loss. So what they mentioned, they decided to go for IPO, and they mentioned that they need 6,750 crores. You can see aim for high. They never mention 100 crore. You can see that is their aim. Usually you have to aim for high. You can see Zomato IPO, even they mentioned small organization as an advertisement. Even you can use the Paytm money for buying the IPOs of the Zomato. You know about the IPO of Zomato, the entrepreneur, that is Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha. They are the foodie bay later. They only started the Zomato and they created nicely the Zomato mobile application. They are said to be the cloud kitchens. Of course, they are going to introduce the cloud kitchens, but indirectly they are following the cloud. And what they mentioned that totally they are going to issue for 9,375 crores, and fresh issue minimum they are expecting 9,000 crores. If you want to buy a lot, minimum you have to pay 14,820 rupees. That is 195 shares. That is the minimum amount they set. And you can set these are all the dates when it is going to open. 14th July it opened. IPO allotment is going to be held. I think it is going on 22nd July. It has been already closed on 16th July. Just 3 days. The cinema trial of Zomato went for just 3 days. In case of excess amount, they mentioned that by 23rd they are going to refund. And listing date means from 27th, that is from tomorrow onwards, Zomato you can sell in secondary market. But you can see the face value of the share is just 1 rupee. 72 rupees is this minimum price. That means minimum premium is 71 rupees. You must know that one. How they are going to sell? QIB. QIB means international buyers. 75%. 15% has been allotted to mutual fund. For public, they are going to issue only 10%. What they mentioned. At present, Info Edge is the main owner. They also decided to go for the buying. And they appointed the lead managers. You can see Kotak Mahindra, Credit Suisse, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, even Zomato IPO registrar, all are considered as the lead managers. They only advertise. And you can see in black market, gray market, the price, how it has been moving up. 13% premium in 12th July and 11th July 16, even in 10th July 16. That is how they used to buy in premium, both in BSE and NSE. What happened at this time? You can see at the end, the qualified institutional investors purchased by 51 times and non-institutional investors purchased for 32.96 times. Retail investors purchased for 8 times. See that one. That is the subscription. How many times they used to subscribe? One share of Zomato, if you want to buy, 38% applied. The demand is 38, where the supply is 1. Simple thing. That is how the Zomato created a new business. We have to wait and see how it is going to run in future. Of course, now they mentioned 38.25 times. And it is going to be run successfully. So based upon this story, you must know what is the concept of IPO, how the book building process is going on. It is like a cinema show, and in the cinema show, there may be winners or losers. Here they mentioned that what they expected is only 40% increase, but they got 52% more than that of the expected one. Now they mentioned that they are going to list in the BSE. That is the story of the Zomato. Just happened in last week. How far they created the capital infusion. Dear students, this is a very good example of IPO. So based upon that, you must know what are all the process in the IPO. We'll see in the next class what are all the process involved in this IPO conceptually. That is the listing of shares, all those things in coming classes. Okay, with this we will